exploring 50 superscript 2 wire, power, applications, and technical data in detail. Typical technical data for a wire with a gauge of 50 mm². Used material. The inner conductor of a 50 mm² wire is generally made of copper due to its excellent electrical conductivity. Copper is often preferred for larger gauges due to its efficiency and lower electrical resistance. Maximum electric current. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 50 mm² wire can withstand depends on installation conditions and local electrical codes. Under typical installation conditions, this wire can handle currents in excess of 200 amps, but the exact capacity may vary. It is important to consult local electrical codes and manufacturer specifications to determine proper current capacity. Common applications. 50 mm² wires are often used in industrial applications to power large equipment, such as high-power industrial electric motors, heavy machinery power systems, distribution panel electrical installations, and other devices that require a substantial amount of power. Maximum supported temperature. The maximum temperature that a 50 mm² wire can withstand depends on the type of insulation used. Standard PVC insulated wires typically withstand operating temperatures of up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires with insulation from heat-resistant materials such as silicone can be used, and they can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Please remember that these technical data are general and may vary based on local codes, manufacturer specifications, and specific installation conditions. When dealing with high-capacity wires, it is crucial to consult a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to ensure compliance with all local safety standards and regulations. Leave your like, write to the channel, and activate the bell to be notified of upcoming videos.